Foodies is the name of the food truck. The company is Southern Sensations Catering, so it's kind of two. We have a catering company, and this is a spinoff. Foodies is a spinoff of the catering company. 2016, so almost 8 years come November.
I didn't start.
It started with Southern Sensations Catering, job lunches, weddings, birthday parties back at home in South Carolina. And then we came here in 2020 and I knew everything was faster here, so I wanted a food truck. So I added a food truck once we got to Georgia. Food truck is new to the company, 4 years. Catering company since 2016. Woo, my family back home do all the cooking. Like, it's just something I've been doing since 14. About 8 years ago, I decided to see what it would be like to get some money out of it. And it took off. I ain't looked back. I ain't clocking 9 to 5 since 2016.
Started off with family, then friends, then neighborhood.
Yep, so it started out with, family cookouts. Throwing parties and cookouts, everybody coming and eating. Then it started out with, I believe, $5 lunch boxes back in 2016. Then we went to doing job lunches, the warehouses. And then from there, they began to book us for their birthday parties, their holidays. And yeah, it just kept going. We started doing game parties. And then we got here in 2020 and added a truck. But yep, it started with family and then just $10 plates all the way up to $40,000 weddings at this point.
What's your background? School?
I'm a high school graduate from Somerville High School. I took up business in college, trade, but it's just been the catering and the food since then. But yeah, I got my education and I got my business. I am a self-employed sole proprietor. I run the company. I do all the cooking myself. My family helps me serve. They help me set up. But as far as the actual cooking and prepping, all the soul food dishes and everything, it's just me. I'm looking to open a restaurant in a couple weeks. I gotta find a location, a couple months. I gotta find a location here.
Why is it that you want a brick-and-mortar?
I want a brick and mortar because I have elder family here. My mom's here, my aunts are here, and I want them to come into the restaurant with me and make those pies and, all that good stuff that they've been doing since I was a little girl. So I want to keep it into the family, and I want a brick and mortar for the family to be able to grow from together.
You have a brick-and-mortar back in South Carolina?
I did not. It was just a catering company, and then out of a ghost kitchen. We operated out of a ghost kitchen for the catering, a commissary, excuse me.
That you wanted one back there?
A restaurant? Yes, I always knew I wanted a restaurant. I just didn't know the path. So we decided to move and target celebrity catering here or upscale catering here and added a food truck since everything was so quick. And it's still my end game to get that brick and mortar. I want the building. I want everyone to get the feeling of a, mom and pop shop, good vibes, sit down, get your belly full, relax.
So what was that first sale like when you cut down in the neck? I'm quite sure everything ain't smooth as you.
It's not the same. People eat different here. So, back home in the Carolinas, it's turkey wings, collard greens, mac and cheese, smothered this. Here, it's kind of on the go. So the catering company hasn't really took off as much here. The quick foods do. The egg rolls, the wings, the fried fish. So when it came to the sales here in Atlanta, they've all stimulated for the most part out of the truck. Now I do catering holidays for Amazon, a Dollar General warehouse. They do all of my soul food dishes. And I mean, it's great. They love it. I love to go back and pack up. They're all happy. They want the cards. They want to know if we're coming back. They want to-go trays. So yeah, it's been a pleasure. I'm hoping to grow the catering company more here and then also get this truck and more events and move around more in the city. We're stationed out in McDonough. But it's good to come out to the city and try to network a little bit and meet everybody.
What's the story behind the name of your
Southern Sensations Catering is kind of just that. Like, it's catering of straight soul food, southern food, real southern dishes. A lot of people say they do soul food, but they're kind of combined from other places. We grew in the South, so when it comes to the southern and the soul food, we do it best. Foodies, it's just that I love food. I love to eat and I love to create great dishes. So that, the lobster mac and cheese egg roll, the shrimp and grits egg roll. You gotta be a real foodie to come up with stuff like that. So you get the taste of a foodie world with the food truck. What's next? We gon' more business with the truck in different locations. We want to hit the colleges. We want to get back in. We fed the homeless downtown last year. We want to get back out there. More corporate catering events. Right now, I'm focused on getting my holiday special menu out to all the warehouses and like the Walmarts that feed their employees during the holiday season, because we want to get into that network with them as well. We did a lot of that back home, and I'm looking to do it here. And then 2025 is a restaurant. You will see Southern Sensations Catering somewhere. You can contact us via phone. We have our Instagram handle, which is our Southern Sensations. We have our TikTok, which is Southern Sensations Catering. Facebook is Southern Sensations Catering LLC. And then I'm Tyra. There's the website, SouthernSensationsCatering.com. You can place your catering orders, see all of our catering dishes, lots and lots of food there as well.